Imagine a substance that can relieve all of your problems, not an over-the-counter prescription drug that is going to empty your wallet, and not a large pill that you'll have to swallow daily. I'm talking about medical marijuana. Yes, a current illegal drug. You may be picturing stereotypical stoner. Red eyes, smells like weed, not giving a care. Instead, I want you to visualize an older woman who suddenly doesn't feel pain in her joints, a chemo patient who is relieved of their usual nausea, or an anxious college student who now doesn't feel horrible every day. These are the effects of medical marijuana. I'm going to show you why medical marijuana is good for the body and why it should be legal everywhere. I'm first going to mention the risks, because they exist and we can't ignore that. According to Larry Malerba, a practitioner, educator, and leader in the field of holistic medicine, if used too much, it can stunt normal emotional growth. It can also cause some confusion and anxiety. These side effects are minor. When looking at other drugs such as Advil, which can cause urinary problems, heart palpitations, congestive heart failure, dizziness, high blood pressure, and so much more than the things on this list, the side effects do not compare. No drug is going to enter the body and not cause any sort of disruption. So why make medical marijuana illegal if it has multiple uses and few minor side effects? Change is necessary. In today's world, prescription drugs cause a lot of problems. Let's talk about the costs and the dangers. Everyone knows how expensive pills can be, and most would agree that they would like for prices to drop. As time has passed, the prices have only continued to increase, which means as we get older and need more medication to stay healthy, we will likely have to keep paying more. With the use of medical marijuana, people won't need to be on as many different medications or may not have to pay as much. There also would not be the risk of someone abusing their medication to the point where they could overdose and die. Malerba, the expert in holistic medicine, says no one has died from a marijuana overdose, and it has been known to be safe. In a journal titled Substitution of Medical Cannabis for Pharmaceutical Agents for Pain, Anxiety, and Sleep, written by several health experts, they stated, U.S. states with NC laws, including Maine and Vermont, had a 25% lower mean opioid mortality, overdose mortality rate relative to stress to states without these laws. By allowing the use of medical marijuana, we can save money and lives. Who would even benefit from this? The answer is more people than you may think. Most people have heard that different cannabinoids in the marijuana plants, such as CBD, can calm stress. People with mental health issues such as anxiety, PTSD, and insomnia will all benefit from medical marijuana. In addition to this, Joan Kramer from the American Cancer Society says people who are going through chemo, people with chronic pain, digestive issues, seizures, anorexia, nausea, and more all can get use out of medical marijuana. In a journal titled Medical Marijuana, Clearing Away the Smoke, written by a team of medicine and medical cannabis researchers, it states that for patients with chronic pain, results consistently indicated that cannabis significantly reduced pain intensity. Moreover, a significantly greater proportion of individuals reported at least 30% reduction in pain on cannabis compared to placebo, which is relevant since 30% decrease in pain intensity is generally associated with reports of improved life quality. In addition to this, Joan Kramer wrote about a study where they found that smoked marijuana increased people's tolerance for pain, and another study that found a decreased pain sensitivity and intensity. She also wrote about a study that helped people with HIV, people who normally felt nauseous, who felt like they couldn't eat, like they had no appetite. She said in placebo-controlled studies of HIV-positive chronic marijuana smokers, smoking marijuana led to an increase in food take. The evidence is out there. Marijuana may be a drug, but it's one that has so many health benefits. It's not one that kills people or that makes everything, quote, trippy, but one that if used in the right way, can relieve people of their daily physical and mental struggles. Overall, this drug can help so many people who are facing daily issues. Not only does it have very few side effects or cons, but it has the ability to help heal a wide variety of health problems. It may be illegal in the majority of the country as of now, but one day it won't be. One day, that older woman with chronic joint pain, that chemo patient with horrible nausea, and that struggling, anxious college student will find relief with medical marijuana. I hope you can now see and understand why medical marijuana is good for the body and why it should be legal everywhere. Thank you.